looking for a simple yet powerful way to cleanse your body and boost your energy, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to make a refreshing Moringa plus lemon detox water that's not only delicious but also packed with health benefits. And if you're ready to take your wellness journey to the next level, don't forget to check out Moringa Magic Supplement, a natural dietary supplement that brings you the power of Moringa in an easy, convenient form. You'll find the link in the description below. Let's jump right into the recipe. Here's what you'll need: 1 teaspoon of Moringa powder or fresh Moringa leaves, half a lemon sliced or juiced, 2 cups of filtered water, and a little honey if you like it sweeter. Step 1. Add your Moringa powder into a glass of water. Stir well until it blends nicely. Step 2. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon or drop in a few slices for that tangy kick. Step 3. Optional, add a teaspoon of honey for a natural sweetness. And that's it! Your Moringa plus lemon detox water is ready. This simple drink helps flush out toxins, supports digestion, boosts immunity, and gives you a natural energy lift, all with just 2 powerful ingredients. Now, if you don't always have access to fresh Moringa or prefer a more convenient option, Moringa Magic Supplement is perfect for you. It's made from pure Moringa, rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a great way to support your health daily. Check out the link in the description below to grab your bottle of Moringa Magic today. So, there you have it, a refreshing Moringa plus lemon detox water recipe to kickstart your mornings and support a healthier lifestyle. And don't forget, for even more consistent health benefits, try Moringa Magic Supplement. You'll find the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more health tips, and share it with a friend who needs a natural detox boost. Stay healthy, stay energized, and I'll see you in the next video.